When it comes to accurate and reliable land surveying services in Laxmi Nagar, DGP surveyors are the go-to professionals. With their expertise and advanced technology, they ensure that every survey is conducted with precision and efficiency. Whether it's for residential or commercial purposes, DGP surveyors in Laxmi Nagar have the knowledge and experience to handle any type of surveying project. One of the key benefits of hiring DGP surveyors in Laxmi Nagar is their use of advanced global positioning system, DGPS, technology. This technology allows them to collect data with high accuracy and speed. By using satellites and receivers, they can determine the exact position of any point on the Earth's surface. This eliminates the need for traditional methods like manual measurements, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Another advantage of DGP surveyors in Laxmi Nagar is their ability to provide a wide range of surveying services. Whether you need boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking, they have the expertise to meet your specific requirements. They can also assist with land development projects, providing valuable insights and data that can help in the planning and design process. When it comes to SCON design, DGP surveyors in Laxmi Nagar are well equipped to handle the task. SCON design refers to the creation of Subdivision Control Ordinance Number, which regulates the subdivision and development of land. DGP surveyors play a crucial role in this process by accurately mapping the existing land features and creating detailed plans for future development. By utilizing their DGP's technology, DGP surveyors in Laxmi Nagar can create precise SCON designs that adhere to all regulatory requirements. GPS surveyors are the go-to experts in Laxmi Nagar when it comes to precise and trustworthy land surveying services. With their knowledge and cutting-edge equipment, they make sure that each survey is carried out precisely and effectively. DGP surveyors in Laxmi Nagar have the skills and experience to handle any type of surveying project, whether it is for home or commercial use. The use of cutting-edge global positioning system, DGPS, technology by DGP surveyors in Laxmi Nagar is one of the main advantages of hiring them. They can quickly and accurately collect data, thanks to this technology. They are able to pinpoint the precise location of any point on the surface of the globe by using satellites and receivers. Traditional techniques, such as manual measurements, are no longer required because of this. DGPS surveyors are the go-to specialists in Laxmi Nagar when it comes to precise and trustworthy